Hello and welcome to Morning Conversations with me, Mika. And today it's finally February. It's February 2 today and sobrang para siyang relief na it's already February 2 kasi sobrang slow talaga ng January for me. And now that it's February, parang nagsa-start pa lang yung taon. And sobrang ready ko to be on my next level. Yun din yung nilagay ko sa journal ko today na ang sabi ko, this month my intention is to embrace my next level. I feel like nung January, masyado akong nagpi-play safe and parang, paano ko ba siya sabihin? Basta parang binigay ko yung time para sa sarili ko to adjust and just to be with myself. So this month, my intention is to really embrace my next level. So we will take all the opportunities that is present out there. And I hope there will be more kasi ang dami naming po pwedeng i-share. Ang dami kong gustong gawin. Ang daming plans. So, excited ako doon sobra. And, ano bang nilagay ko dito? I wrote here na the weekend is really about integration for me because I had 10 out of 10 na sign-ups sa community event ko, which we did journaling for end of the month. But only 5 people showed up. And I realized na I really need to charge kahit minimum sa mga ganitong event. Cause, di ba, pag mas nagbabayad ka, mas pinapahalagahan mo yung isang bagay. And yun yung na-realize ko cause I've been doing the events for free. And maybe it's really time to level up. Alam mo yun? And I want to give more value to people. Tapos naisip ko na din na para na din siyang energy exchange because I am also giving my time, my my presence and my learnings, 'di ba? Ganun lang siya, ganun lang ang life. Kailangan lang talaga ng energy exchange. But I'm really grateful dun sa 5 people who showed up and sobrang meaningful nung event for me cause it is my first event na ako lang talaga. And alam nyo, grabe, as in, kinakabahan ako nung una, but sobrang nag-flow na lang during the event. And since ang ganda ng energy ng lahat na nag-attend, it made me realize na the community that I am building is really for those people who are ready and those who are looking for safe spaces. Kasi grabe talaga. As in, nung kahit 5 lang sila, punong-puno. Punong-puno ng pagmamahal, punong-puno ng energy yung room. And ayun, sobrang grateful ko dun. And speaking of, since nga, konti lang yung umattend, so I have mga giveaway here na binigay namin dun sa mga umattend. And meron kami mga extra. This is from Ode Senso. Tin can candles siya. I really buy from them. So I have their Solace and Vivero. Solace is bamboo, white rose musk. Vivero is lime, basil, and jasmine. So I will give this away dito sa aking channel. Dahil sayang naman, I have a lot of candles na. So I want to share the blessings sa inyo din. And alam nyo, it's really a blessing to have to have all of you here, 'di ba? Kasi hindi ko naman sobrang pinopromote tong channel na to. But the fact that you are here and alam ko naman kilala ko din kayo, 'di ba? Ayun, papamigay ko lang to. Itong tuna na tin can candles. Alam niyo, hindi ko nga alam kung paano ko papamigay. But maybe we will have one winner and just comment below. Wow, comment below. Comment below what are your learnings from January and ano yung learnings niyo from January and ano yung mga hindi nyo nadadalhin from January. Ayan. Okay, yun lang naman. Sana may mag-comment. Kung wala, di okay lang. Papamigay natin to sa Instagram. I will choose the winners. Wow, I will choose the winners. After 3 days. And pag wala talaga, sa Instagram na lang. Kasi sayang talaga. And gusto ko i-share din sa inyo yung happiness ko sa candles ng Oud Senso kasi ang bango niya talaga and nakaka-happy siya. Yun lang naman. So, going back to my journal, nilagay ko din dito na I had a very slow weekend which I'm really grateful for. Nung kahapon, wala si Leon dito sa house. So, talagang naging potato lang kami. And ang saya kasi dami na yung movie na panood. Mga nakatatlo kami, ganyan. So, wait, meron ako mga hindi i-share. Ayun. Pumunta ako sa isang event nung Saturday din ng friend ko and ang na-feel ko noon ay ang sayang mapalibutan ng mga genuine na people. And alam mo yung feeling na sobrang natural mo lang. Hindi ka ginajudge by just being you. Kasi most ng tao doon ay older people. Kaya ang saya. Parang the older people talaga, they really get you and they won't judge you for things. Siyempre, meron pa rin ibang older people, di ba, na judger talaga. But this people that I met nung weekend, happy ako. And sobrang gaan ng loob ko sa kanila. Walang energy block. So, ayun. Happy ako dun. So, ayun lang naman. Maikli lang yung aking journal for today. Ano pa bang gusto kong i-share? This month is really about your next level. Because if January felt so slow for you, it's okay. Because alam niyo, pinapatibay lang talaga kayo ni Lord. Like, those slow moments, the moments that you felt lost and challenged, yun yung mga moment na pinapatibay ka ni Lord, sinestrengthen ka niya. And doon ka mas lumapit sa Kanya every time you feel that. Because siya din talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng wisdom how to conquer that season of your life. And there's nothing wrong about it. You just have to embrace it. You just have to surrender everything to Him. Ayun. Ayun lang naman. Thank you so much for watching. And grabe, parang everyday tinitignan ko and ang daming nanonood. Ang dami na yun para sa akin, guys. So, ayun lang naman. Happy February. And we're ready for our next level. Bye!